Okay, bro. I will try to help you to get Shadow Fight Arena. If you hear any noises in background, that's my family. Sorry for that. Uh, First you should do is download the files I send you from the link. Okay, the file should be 504.5 megabytes like this. You just need to open it. Just wait a second. Uh, okay. Okay, now you need to open it to separate the files. You will say, in my say Raspakuy, but in your should in English should be like separate, open, how to extract. I don't know. I'm not sure. So you just need to separate these files. You need to wait a little bit. Okay, it's done. Now you just need to open. You will see this installation file, Zoneki, blah blah blah, this switch icon. You just install it. I have huge problems with Wi-Fi and phone. My phone is crazy and it's old and it's too much glitchy. Have many problems with Wi-Fi and phones, but I will record you, bro. This is my fifth or sixth try to record this. Okay, it's done. So you have installation file of, or you install the arena. Okay, this is just a file, but main data of game is here. You will go back to Android, OBB. You just need to open this. Okay, move to in internal memory, Android, OBB. Done. You went paste. Go back. Use VPN Melon. You like this Melon VPN. Oh, sorry for this. Melon VPN. You will see this. You need just to download it, open it, and just to see it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. Okay, good. Okay, now you need to select the Canada, as you can see here. Tap connect. Wait a few seconds. Sorry for ads. Okay. Leave the VPN work in background. Don't close it. Don't close it. Okay. Now your arena should work. Okay. Now you need just to open it. Arena. Okay. If you see some kind of glitches or anything, my phone is really bad, so sorry for that, bro. Now we need to wait. It should work, but maybe sometimes I have the problems with game because I was showing many people and reinstall game, and my phone can't handle all of that stuff. So it should work. Okay, it's working. Okay, you will tap OK, of course, and okay, this is
The gates of shadows.
how to skip this. Hold to skip. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, game.update. It will update automatically, so you don't need to update something on Play Store or anything. So is it working? It start lagging a little bit. Okay, you can see this is my progress. I'm called Sub-Zero. Okay, here you can see you have how the game look, so you can see here. Okay, I hope this video will help you, bro. Um uh, and what to say more, take care of yourself and wear a mask, bro, and stay safe. God bless you.